I'm running because I'm going to Serilda and Jillian's house to start my really eventful weekend. And Serilda's friend is coming, so I'm like more excited because I love when friends of friends come on adventures. But yeah, I ran because of that. Bye. I got tired, so we're just walking. Yeah, the gang is here.
Well, what the hell?
Which way are we going? This way. Woo! Time we're on our way, adventure days will save the day. Woo! Guess what, y'all? Cause we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the road. The gang of besties getting closer to running. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. The whole gang of people is about to run in like.
Ay, ay. She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Hurry up, guys. What are y'all waiting for standing there? There ain't no ducks on this road.
Good to be chilling out. I'm off the clock, precious hours. Now my girl's what it's all about.
Ready for some sunshine, for my heart to take shape.
What time is it? Summertime. It's our vacation. What time is it? Party time. That's right, say that.
We're almost there. We were just talking about random stuff like Gart chick phone on Discord, guy friends, yeah, cool stuff. And I also danced to the summertime song as you saw in the earlier clip. That was lit. Across the road.
They are runners, they are track stars, crossing the street like it's a busy day. Looking happy?
Daisy, run! Oh, 7 seconds! I'm not sure about y'all, but it looks like it's about to rain, so we're gonna have to build a shelter to protect all of us in the middle of the forest. Jillian came with lots of stuff to be prepared in that backpack, and yeah, it'll be lit if it rains. Fingers crossed, y'all. It'll be fun. Traffic, traffic, traffic. Traffic, you're so beautiful. Run!
He a runner, he a track star, crossing the street because he's taller than all of us. A song.
Hi, guys!
Yay!
They're finally best friends. Driving. No texting while driving, lady. It's a countryside. What? We're about to reach the middle of the forest where I'm going to switch accents. Accent switch coming in 2 minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Alright, I'm gonna be switching to the caveman accent as soon as we get into that forest over there, you see. By the way, if you like my western accent, comment down below.
Is that a southern accent?
Well, yes it is, dearie. Well, if you like my western accent, just comment down below that you love to go yeehaw and like
Yell yeehaw.
guys, yell yeehaw, yeehaw, yeehaw. Hey, we're about to go real ooga booga soon. Here's where me and my friend Serilda got finessed by this seesaw chess table. That was sad. We about to reach Ooga Booga Town in a few seconds. Yeah. I changed my accent.
No, you will not.
I will.
You will you? And what will you change it to?
Ooga Booga.
What?
I can't wait till the others see this one. In my country accent. Elga boga, chooga chong chong, cow cow. Pretty flower goo boo, yeah. I'm head over to Elga boga.
Well, what the hell?
From Elga boga accent. Anyways, we're almost there. I mean, we're almost there. Oh, shoot, my mask. The little buddy nuggins right there, and I'm about to catch up with them. This is so beautiful. Guys, we're at the haunted forest, so I have a really scary. Oh, I think we actually might. Huh? Oh, what'd you say? How did you hear you?
Did you hear what Nicholas said? The train thing at the end of the tunnel?
Yeah.
You see the light, I see the darkness. Roll to see the train. The train sees 3 idiots.
मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा
Nah, Soda's not the idiot. She sees the train.
Oh, okay.
मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा अरे लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा
What time?
Ooga booga time! Yes! Woo!
Ubu, ubu.
Okay, guys. Ooga booga ooga ooga. Smooga smoo. Kookagoo. Monk monk. Ooga chaka ooga. Singing campfire songs like ooga chaka ooga chaka. Ooga chaka, let's keep walking. Chaka chaka chaka.
The dark, mysterious, I'm gonna die in it. I'm gonna die in it. Yeah. Let's go! Oh, Jillian, remember this thing where, pessimistic person sees darkness at the optimistic person,
Ha ha ha.
a realistic person.
My mom should never so pretty.
Oh, look, a caterpillar.
Ew, caterpillar. ¿Dónde está? Wait, which way do we go? ¿Dónde está? Look, garbage can, right there. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm gonna take pictures, put the pictures here. Actually, maybe not. It's kind of dangerous with those bridges. But it's so pretty. So pretty, BB. Like, I love your landscapes, Mother Earth. Okay, guys. My friends here aren't very scared, but I am. So I'm gonna be telling you about the scary story of the creepy monkey woman who died in this. Let's go, Jillian. Don't be scared. There's much scarier called. So she's called the ghost. She's a ghost of. So anyways, there's a really creepy ghost story surrounding these forests. It's the story of these girls who walked in here one time by themselves. And the monkey woman, the scary monkey woman, she came out and she ate all of them. So this is a scary place. Ignore the background noise. Everyone sounds a lot cheerful, a lot more cheerful than they should be, but that's the story. So look at these guys. This is what a bunch of foolish people look like, and they're about to. Sister, because she's running with rollerblades. My poor baby sister. I'm falling. Oh shoot. Don't worry, Grace. I broke my leg. I won't let you be eaten by that monkey woman, I promise. Oh, look at the brave girl. She's walking ahead of us. Look at her. Risking her life. In the beautiful forest. Serilda's bestie is talking about, what's it called? Coyotes, because they're hella scary. If a coyote comes, you'll be like, swipe or no swiping. The monkey woman's house that I was talking about. She lives in the creepy house up there. I don't know if you can see it, but she's gonna eat it so we don't run away.
No, I do not live in that house. I literally live in the Amazon rainforest. Stop spreading rumors about me.
So I think it's like you go. Just admiring myself in this beautiful sunlight.
Wait, does that mean I have to go back down and come to speak?
What a gorgeous human being right here. The Darman video, so check it out if you want to. You can watch it. Grace's husband.
I'm husband.
Serilda, for saving me, I want to hire you to the manager of my bank.
Thank you.
So you see, we're not telling stories, Jillian. We're changing lives.
Close your eyes for a sec.
Mr. Sun, oh, Mr. Golden Sun, please hide your face from us. Oh my god.
Looks like dinner.
Yeah, Nicholas.
Oh, it's blue.
We found food. It's blue. Whoa. Bye guys, I'm gonna die now.
You gonna live forever?
Yes. Yo, Serilda's brother literally came. We were so far away. I'm confused. No, because literally we're actually so confused. This kid was like at home. We swear he was at home a few seconds ago. But now he's here. Like, what is going on? Somebody give me a reality check. Someone pinch me. No, not you, Jillian. Ow! Don't you dare, Nicholas.
What's going on?
Just joking.
He's petting a caterpillar.
Get it, girl. Get it. Get it, Caterpillar. Mr. Caterpillar.
No, the head is on that side. Wait, what?
I'm gonna name it Mr. Wilson. Let's go, Mr. Wilson.
Oh my god, right from that video. Did you sleep with your
Girl's gonna get it climbing on her hand. Like, that's not gonna work. They're scared of you.
Like, nope.
Unless you got some special animal powers like my sister, maybe. Maybe I have the powers, but I'm not gonna find out. One of our friends has to leave, so I'm trying to figure out what to do. Which way is faster? Which way is slower? Oh! I touched something. Leave the 3, let it be. It's rain, but I don't think it is. I think I just felt some rain, guys. I'm gonna check the weather. I'm gonna put a pause on the vlogging for now because in case something exciting happens, my phone is almost down. So I want to get that on video. Like, what if it rains, guys? What if it rains? Oh, we've reached rich people territory. Beautiful. We're gonna go home from here. Beautiful. Also, I'm gonna be heading to rich people territory this Sunday, next Sunday, because I'm going to my bestie's house. Woo!
Okay, let's follow Riley. Riley is the leader, yeah?
Follow the leader, follow the leader. Party time. Guys, we're in the middle of the rich neighborhood still. We're enjoying life, living life. I'm dancing. Neighborhood, we out the rich hood. We're on that road that I always drive home from the library.
Oh, it's 5:30.
We just talked about pineapples on pizza ice cream flavors.
You wanted to leave at 5.
Milk.
So pretty. Nicholas!
Oh my god, a deer! Wait, Jillian, send me that picture.
Don't try and like this.
Hi, gorgeous. Can I have lunch with you?
This is, you know what, very soon they will disappear from there.
Oh my god, why? What happened? Stop in the middle of the road again.
Run of the day.
Can we run?
No.
Go! Yeah! Insta poll, should I eat one or not? If you guys vote yes, I'll eat a Mento. In the neighborhood, my phone's about to run out of charge, so when I get to Serilda's house, Jillian, can I have your portable charger? Thanks. Not now though, because we might as well. But do you need it when I go home? Well, we're going to Serilda's house, right? Oh yeah. Then I guess we should all go because yeah.
I can't go tomorrow.
Oh yeah, I'm busy tomorrow. So anyways, we're heading home. The day is almost over. I'll just vlog the rest of my day at home. That was really fun. I'm so happy school is out. That was Serilda's house.
Don't keep too many photos.